Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Signal application on your tablets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and then in the search bar type in Signal. Soon after you make a search for the Signal app, look for the Signal Private Messenger app from Signal Foundation and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. And once it's done, you will be able to open the Signal app on your Android tablets. Signal is a secure messaging app that works on phones and tablets. If you have the Android tablets, then you can install Signal easily using the Google Play Store, and once it is done, click on Open. And there you have it. That's how you easily download and install the Signal app on your device. Allow necessary permissions for the app and then sign in using your phone number and you'll be ready to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.